Introducing the ViewTech Interactive Touchscreen, a game changer in education. This isn't just a display, it's a powerful tool designed to enhance productivity and creativity in any workspace. What truly sets ViewTech apart is its interactive whiteboard capabilities. With advanced touch technology, you can write, draw, and erase with ease just like you would do on a traditional whiteboard. Whether it's illustrating complex scientific concepts or breaking down historical events, the possibilities are endless. The whiteboard functionality is not only user-friendly but also highly responsive, ensuring that teachers can focus on delivering quality education over technical distractions. Moving on to the multi-touch feature, the whiteboard allows multiple users to interact simultaneously using different pens and colors. This makes group work and idea sharing a breeze. Furthermore, you can select, clear, undo, and redo with simple gestures. Let us explore the Tools menu, where the real magic happens. With the ability to add shapes, text, tables, and mind maps. ViewTech's whiteboard cater to all aspects of the learning journey. Moreover, you can add sticky notes to create quick reminders, allowing you to truly customize the whiteboard to your needs. The whiteboard also facilitates easy learning and understanding of mathematical concepts with its puzzle pack tool, equipped with features like ruler, protractor, compass, and square. Educators can easily depict concepts. But that's not all. The tool menu brings a digital world right to your fingertips. You can effortlessly integrate web browsers, search for images, and videos, and can use directly them on the board. This capability is particularly beneficial for subjects that require multimedia resources, such as geography with its map and videos or literature with its interactive text and audios. The tool menu has features like timer and split screen to ensure focused presentations and collaborations. You can set time limits for discussions and split screen to compare information side by side.